Video to fix Baldur's Gate 3 crashing on Windows 11. Are you tired of the game closing suddenly while playing? Many players face this problem because Windows 11 sometimes struggles with certain game files and graphics settings. You might have tried other solutions on YouTube or social media, but they are often long, confusing, and hard to follow. On Rexist, I have a simple trick that can stop Baldur's Gate 3 from crashing instantly. It works fast and does not require complicated steps. If you want to show a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I will make it just for you. This method will let you play smoothly without interruptions and enjoy the game fully. Don't waste time with messy guides. Use this easy trick from Rexist and fix your game today.